Hey there, if you have been trying to understand SEO, or you heard something pretty wild myth about it. Today, I'm here to bust a few of the most common misconceptions about SEO that might be holding you back. Let's get started. Myth number 1. Let's start with the big one. SEO is all about keywords. Sure, keywords are important, but SEO is so much more than just stuffing a page with words people search for. Today, Google focuses on search intent, understanding what the users really wants. So, instead of cramming in keywords, focus on creating content that actually answers their questions and solve their problem. Think about this way. It's not about how many times you mention the word like dog food, but how well you explain the best options for feeding your furry friends. Myth number 2. Here is another big one. SEO delivers results overnight. Oh, how I wish that were true. SEO is a long game. It takes consistent effort, optimizing your content, improving your site, and building trust with Google over time. It's like planting a tree. You won't see it grow in a day, but with proper care, it will stand tall for years to come. Myth number 3. Another myth: the more page your site has, the better your ranking will be. Here is the truth. It's about quality, not quantity. A single high-quality page with valuable content can outperform 100 low-quality pages and day. So, focus on creating pages that people love to read, share, and recommend, not just pages for the sake of number. Myth number 4. Some say link building is dead, but that's far from true. Links are still a critical part of Google's ranking algorithm. The trick is to focus on earning high-quality, relevant links, not spamming random websites. Building relationship, guest posts, or reputable sites, and provide content with linking too. Myth number 5. Finally, the myth that SEO is on-time task. SEO is not set it and forget it deal. Algorithm change, competitors evolve, and users' behavior shifts. Regular updates, testings, and improvement are key to staying on top. So, there you have it. SEO is not just about keywords. It does not deliver overnight, and it's definitely not an on-time task. If you focus on creating valuable content, building quality links, and staying consistent, you are already ahead of most people falling for this myth. What's the craziest SEO myths you have heard? Let me know in the comment section. And don't forget to link, share, and subscribe for more SEO tips. See you in the next video.